Now back to the same stream of
Thutha wa mucirithania wa igoti nene Lawrence Mugambi kwehererio arangiri yake muthenya wa ira, riu ruhonge rwa igoti ni rwiyumiritie na gukumithia giko giki. Akirekereria ndumiriri ino mucirithania munene Martha Koome augite giki ni giko gia kwagagia cirithania kumana na matua maria matua megie macira matiganite ma maabitha nene a thirikari, akioria ruhonge rwa borithi gucokia arangiri a mucirithania Lawrence kuona giki ni giko gia kwagagia ruhonge rwa magoti.
The security detail assigned to Honorable Justice Mugambi were disarmed and withdrawn. This deliberate and punitive measure represents a direct assault on judicial independence. The Judicial Service Commission calls upon all state actors, particularly the National Police Service, to immediately restore the security of Honorable Justice Lawrence Mugambi and fulfill their constitutional duty to respect and enforce the decisions of the courts.
Kweherio kwa arangiri a Lawrence Mugambi gukuruhanitio na itua riria eriga kurekereria rigi cira uria wambikitwo igoti-ini ni kiama kia mawakiri na andu angi atatu kuria munene wa borithi wa ihinda GILBERT Masengeli athitangitwo mari na andu angi ana kurumirira kunyitwo migwate kwa andu atatu. Na thutha wa Masengeli kungathia gwikinya igoti-ini, Mugambi agitua itua ria kumukundika kioho kia mieri 6 na oho agiathwo kurekereria atatu aya undu uria utakinyanirio nginyagia umuthi.
Growing the security of a sitting judge following a judicial decision that displeased certain authorities is deeply concerning. It sends a chilling message to the judiciary and indeed to the public at large.
Mwena-ini wao kiama kia mawakiri kiugite itacokia tariri ni ria kwagira kiene wiyathi wa ruhonge rwa igoti, makiuga ona ruhonge rwa borithi rutibatie kwagarara watho wa igoti.
Nya wa judiciary ukoragwo ukiheanwo ni gatiba na security ya judge no mwage korwo guaranteed, koguo ikinya riothe rioetwo ni thirikari ria intimidate judges kana kwire intimidate judicial officers nigetha matikadelive ruling irafuata watho ni njira njuru muno turagire kueta bururi.
Ihinda-ini riu Koome augite ungumania ni umwe wa maundu maria makoretwo makihinga maundu matiganite, na oho akigweta kunderu wa kigina kuhotomia mirutire ya wira ya magoti na guthararia mibango itiganite.
Persistent challenges that has hindered the realization of Kenya's potential is corruption. We continue to face challenges related to judicial independence, particularly in terms of financial independence.
From the foregoing, it is therefore evident that the current budget shortfalls have placed significant constraints on the judiciary's ability to achieve its strategic goals.
Koome augite ruhonge ruru ni rugumeirwo ni mathina maingi hari wiyathi waruo rwa kigina kiria rugayagirwo ni thirikari, undu uria augite ni maranyitanira na honge itiganite cia thirikari kurora uria ruhonge rwa magoti rungikorwo na kigina gia kuigana hari mirutire yao ya wira na gutungatira muingi. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Mwirori.